Mayong buntag ninyong tanan. Good morning everybody. Nanapod din taon ko sa akong corner dre, trying to just take a break. Muna akong buhaton. Kung na ako sa balay, I do all my chores sa naa sa balay. Gikan sa panglimpyo, panglaba, pang vacuum, bisag unsa na lang. Pait ang kinabuhi din sa Pilipinas. Di din ni Pilipinas di. Napata sa Amerika. Hopefully makaadto tag Pilipinas. Pero ang kinabuhi din taon diri sa Amerika, nindot man no, we're very privileged in some other aspect in terms of livelihood, siguro sa way of living and the lifestyle and all that. Pero paspas ang kinabuhi. Pero ting paspasa gyud din taon. Abi nimo dinhi og kanang usa lang ang imong trabaho. Swerte na kay na kanang mga Pilipina nga nakamini og mga foreigner, or they call that apam. I really don't call that apam because I really don't understand what apam is at the beginning. But anyway, I think that's the language na what people use. But yeah, ang akong bana foreigner, akong mga anak, mga Filipino-American, they're all grown up. So ang dini ka sa Amerika, swerte ka itong nakaminyo o mga foreigner nga may ta swerte, pero to me dili man pud tingali ka ingon nga swerte, kay mas maayo man gyud to nga bisan og maka-afford tuod ang imuhang husband to take care of you, bisag maka-afford imuhang husband to make you just stay home, nga di ka mo trabaho, wala kay angay trabahoan, nara ka sa balay. Pero as a woman, as a strong independent woman, di na nimo makaya tingali. Kay ako personally, bisan pa maka-afford man tingnan kong husband to tell me not to go to work, I just wanna stay home lang ko sa balay, but that is not my personality. I don't think mo survive ko without anything I have to do. I have to make my own money. I have to earn my own living. So I do everything to keep myself moving forward. So bisag unsa na akong buhaton, I got a day job, I got a day profession, but at the same time I try to find my way nga I can have some hobbies that I can turn into a business that I can bring and generate more income, just in case that my husband and I we needed to. And also for me is a good way for me to set up now while nga wala pa ko nag-retire, so that when time I'm ready to retire, I have something else that I can do. That I'm not gonna be ending up just sitting and just being fed and just waiting for your pension and all that. I need to keep moving forward. I need to keep growing and moving. So karon yan na po ko sa kong corner. See, this is one of my hobbies. Nagbuhat na po ko aning akong mga crocheting item na ko. I love making tumblers. So if you see me, most of my bag that you have there nga ako ang nga nabuhat, they are mostly tumbler bag or circular handbag. So this is the latest nga ako ang nahimo. Okay, look at that. Anaa siya nindot nga mga charm sa kilid. Oh. Unya, di apoy usa. I'm trying to finish this one. I'm already started this. So I'm gonna make this just if tanaw na nimo nindot kaayo na og base sa ibalaom. Unya, tanaw po na nimo sa ihang bottom, nindot po na siya. So mo ni nga inaani nga style ako ang buhaton. So mo na akong giingon ninyo kamo pangita mo paagi in town nga you can have your own, you can be self-sufficient, nga di lang ka mag-depend. Okay ra man na, no, kung ma-afford nyo, you have plenty of money, why not? But for your own self-growth and for your own self-confidence, it's always good for a woman, for a wife, for a mother to have other source of income, or to generate its own income para you feel confident, so that in kaso worse things happen, because life is no guarantee, there's no forever in life, then at least you can bounce back. And that's it for now. Happy Sunday. Ciao, ciao.